Hey guys, what's up? It's Kenzie and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing a fitness haul, but it's also going to be an unboxing. So I have partnered with FabFitFun for this video and I'm going to be unboxing their spring box. But this is like so cool. They have so many it's like Mira. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a nice brand at Sephora. They have free people. Yeah, it's just amazing, and it's in support of Girls Rising, so I'm so excited to be partnering with them on this video. So if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box, and they have full-size fitness, health, wellness products. They just have so much stuff. It's so freaking cool. Each box is $49.99, but they're valued at $200. So basically, seasonally, you just kind of treat yourself and get a gift. If you guys want to use the code KE10, I have a little coupon code so you guys get $10 off. Seriously, it's so freaking cool. I'm gonna unbox it, but I'm just so excited. So since it's seasonally, there's 4 of them a year, so it's just literally, it's the coolest deal ever. The reason that I love subscription boxes so much, especially ones like FabFitFun that have full-size products and not just the little samples, is because you get to test out so many products that maybe I wouldn't have necessarily picked out before or even known about, and then I find them out and they're my favorite products. So yeah, I'm obsessed with them. Also, a lot of the time I feel like when I order things like these, I kind of forget that they're even coming, so it's basically like Christmas when I get a new box full of products. So I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit excited and I kind of peeked through my box, but I really wanted you guys to see my full reaction, so I didn't look at everything in depth, okay? When you open up the box, it has all of this stuff. It has this really cool FabFitFun 2018 Spring Edition. It's basically a newspaper magazine. It's really cute. This is cute for your room. But the really cool part about this is that it just has way more information about the products, and it really is just so cute. Guys, I don't know how well you can see that, but that is really, really cute. That's a great spread. Love that. The first thing I have, this Ish Lip Statement Palette. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are really pretty. I love this color. This is my favorite. Wow. These are really, really pretty. Okay, these are so cute. These remind me so much of Danielle. So they're earrings. I'm gonna take them out of the package. So they're cute little fringe earrings. These are adorable. These will be cute for Coachella. Rachel Polly. I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is really cute. It's a clutch. Wow. It's really nice too. And on the inside, this is really, really cute. I don't have anything like this. I love this. Even to just put inside a bigger bag if I wasn't just using it as a clutch. Wow, I'm really, really impressed. And it came with a little dust bag. Wow, this is amazing. I love this. Oh my gosh. It's a Free People's sheet, sleep mask. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, wait, it's gel. And it has stars on it, which stars are my favorite thing. I have a star tattoo. I'm gonna look in this and figure out why it's jelly. BRB. Okay, this is amazing. So basically this depuffs your eyes. So it's kind of jelly in here. So you just put it in the fridge for about an hour and then you can just wear it and then it depuffs your eyes. I'm literally gonna wear this every single night because I feel my eyes are always puffier, then I'm always tired. This is amazing. I'm so excited for this. Okay, and it's really cute too, so that's awesome. Oh my gosh, what is this? Is this one of those massage? Oh, yes. I literally was about to buy one of these. I was looking at these from a blogger's Instagram the other day. This is amazing. So, this is a massage roller. Okay, this is amazing because I've been very sore lately, but this is the Physique 57 massage roller. Serious results and serious relief. I'm literally so excited for this. This is so awesome. Okay, the next thing I have, oh, is this a candle? I love candles. Okay, so, this is so cute. And it smells really good. It's number 15 fresh linen, mandarin orange, a bunch of things. This is really cute. It's copper. Wow. I'm obsessed with this. I love this. Okay, so this is a body butter and it smells amazing. It's so silky on your skin too. I love this stuff. The next thing I have is a Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. Okay, this stuff is awesome. So it is a ridge filler, so it conceals nail imperfections while treating them with keratin protein, vitamins, and much needed moisture. The unique system strengthens weak nails and makes them resistant to splits and breaks. This is amazing if you get acrylics a ton and your nails are really weak. My nails are super weak right now, so I know that I'm gonna be obsessed with this stuff. This is awesome. This box is right up my alley because I love vitamins and random health and wellness stuff, so this is awesome. The next thing I have is a Dove exfoliating body polish. Oh, crushed macadamia and rice milk. Wow, this sounds amazing. So especially this time of year, if you guys are self-tanning, you always want like an exfoliator on hand because that's how you like get the self-tanner off, and it's also how you need to exfoliate your body so you have a smooth canvas. But yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Okay, the next thing I have, I don't know how to pronounce this like brand. It's Murad, I think. Molly used to use this stuff and she really liked it. I know this is like a more expensive brand. It's a skin perfecting lotion. Hydrate, okay. Because it's more than just a lotion. It's oil-free, ultralight moisturizer. It's a skin's powerhouse and it's full of skin perfecting ingredients. I'm so excited to use this. My skin has been really dry lately. I haven't been drinking enough water, but it's still been very dry, which would makes sense, but I really just need a new moisturizer, and I really love it when my moisturizers are oil-free and lightweight. Oh yeah, this stuff feels amazing on your skin. Wow, I'm so excited to try this. So that is it for my unboxing. I also love that FabFitFun is a female-founded company. That's freaking awesome. I just like absolutely love all this stuff. I cannot believe that you can get everything for $50. That is crazy. Like literally, if you were to buy one of these, normally it'd be like $50. So that is such a good deal. I'm obsessed with every single thing that I got. Like it is the best. This is not a subscription box where you get a few things that are like really cool and then some that are bad. Like everything in this box I'm so excited for. This is a spring box, so I will have everything linked down below. Don't forget that there is a coupon code KE10 for $10 off. This is like the best box ever. I want every single box from here on out. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. If you guys want to see more of me using these products, be sure to follow me on Instagram because that is where I show a lot of me using and testing out products. Alright, I love you guys so much and I will see you soon. Bye!